Hello, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna make a really quick tutorial on how to make do-it-yourself O-rings. It's gonna be really easy. So you're just gonna need a straw and cut it to make it short, so you can do it easier. And some hair or orthodontist rubber bands. If you have some lying around, then throw them away. Okay, so you're just gonna take your keycaps out and you are going to put a rubber band on your straw like this, and then you're going to twist it. Okay, twist it, and put it again on there. Okay, you know, just one twist. And then you're going to take your keycap and pull this a bit on here, near to the top, and then you're going to pull it on the keycap thing. I don't know how it's called. And you're just going to put it in here, and then you go. There is the O-ring. And then you're just gonna put it on the keyboard like this. Zero Ultimo Blue, I don't know. And these ones doesn't have the O-ring because I don't use them. So here's the difference. It works really fine. Look, any sound. They get really silent, and yeah. So this was how to make do-it-yourself O-rings. If you like it, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.